Hey Foo fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen slash organizing my pantry. So y'all see that fridge over there? I'm about to put y'all on it because my arm already hurts after 30 seconds of recording. So yeah, so as soon as you walk in the kitchen, it's not that dirty, it's just really messy and there are things everywhere, and because it's not organized it looks messier than what it actually is. But I have a little bit of dishes to do. I'm gonna fast forward through that because I don't think you guys clicked on this video to watch me do dishes. And y'all, also as soon as you walk into the kitchen, a horrible stench just hits you because the garbage, I think something wrong with it. Like, I throw it out regularly, but I think the actual can itself has some type of sauce or juice on it, but it really honestly truly stinks. So I'm gonna be cleaning out the garbage today, which I never ever do. Ooh, I just touched it, but there's a first time for everything, right? So yeah, that's gonna be the first thing that we do. I just went and grabbed these cleaning products right here. I don't like this. This is not the life for me. I just got done cleaning this little area and I threw the garbage out, and then I washed my hands because name any bacteria, any disease, they were on my hands, so I had to just wash them. I hate taking out the trash. That's one thing about me, like I can't wait until I live with a man because that's gonna be his job, his only job. Like, forget a 9 to 5, forget a real job. All I need from you, two things actually. Only things I need from you are to take out the garbage and try to clean the bathroom. Like, I love cleaning my bathroom, but sometimes I just get a little bit, you know, it's not for me. Next, we have to go ahead and caught it. Y'all see that? Do y'all see it? I need to know if y'all see it because I caught that. Okay y'all, so next on the agenda we have to clean the dishes. It's not that much, but it's dishes. So that's one thing about me, I don't like doing dishes. I realize that now. I always thought when I get to my own house I'm gonna love doing the dishes because it's only me that's dirty them. No, and if you think like me, no, that's not gonna be the case. But we gotta do them unless you want to live with rodents. So yeah, let's wash these dishes. Hey Google, play some jazz music. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go to Walmart and buy basically everything I need for the house, and I can't wait. As you can see, I washed the dishes already, and now it's time for the fun part. I didn't want to make y'all wait too long for what y'all actually came here for, so we're finally gonna be organizing my pantry, my fridge. I'm not only gonna be organizing the pantry, actually also where I put my spices and seasonings, we're gonna be organizing that too. FYI, I do have a very small pantry, so small that I wouldn't even call it a pantry. Y'all, I want to go bike riding. So here is the infamous pantry. I told you guys it was small, but before yesterday I didn't have a lot of things to put in there, but my boyfriend did some shopping for me and he got me these items right here and so much more, as you guys could see, and also in the freezer. So we're gonna organize all of that. If you look up there, you'll see I have some cups and glasses there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave them there because it just looks a little bit weird, right y'all? And I also have some cooking items here, y'all. It's just a hot mess. I'm just gonna start cleaning out the pantry by taking out everything that I have and putting them on the counter so I could reorganize and make it look neater. Like, that's the goal. I have a great idea. So instead of putting, you know, these snacks right here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my spices and seasonings, because if you look over here, those are the only seasonings and spices that I have so far. So I'm just gonna move them from there to over here and move all of my snacks and basically foods over here. And it's double door, so it's more like a pantry, so yay. And it's also better that I do it this way, that I put the spices and seasonings over there, because I cook over there. So like literally it saves me a trip, not a long trip, not a big trip, but a trip period. So on the very top shelf, a knife just fell into the trash. Now I'm gonna leave it in the trash because that's a sign you did not have good intentions, obviously. This is what the cabinet looks like. Why does the camera do that? This is what the cabinet looks like with nothing in it, and everything is out here Y'all, I didn't know I had this much stuff. Also, I have some things on top of the microwave. I think I'm gonna move them because it just does not look pretty, but every single time I move them, y'all, I kid y'all not, they just end up back here. I don't know who puts it there. I could put y'all, oh, I could look put y'all in here, and yes. Okay. Oh, y'all, I can't believe this is actually coming along. Yay! And it's like kind of like my kitchen is changing up a bit because I'm already used to which cabinets have what items in them. So now it's like everything is changing. Hopefully my big hair don't block y'all. But I'm just gonna put my ballerina C right here, which I'm gonna be doing a Layla's video with the ballerina C, so stay tuned. And last but not least, we're gonna be using the OG, the best seasoning ingredient that I know that I love, which is Maggie. And I could just put that anywhere, literally doesn't matter, because tomorrow is gonna get misplaced because we're gonna use it every day. But this is what it's looking like. Looks way better, and it makes way more sense because the air fryer is here and the stove is also here, so it only makes sense for the seasonings for what goes with those things to be next to them as well. So yay. Now I have to move all of these snacks and foods to this cabinet, which looks so big and so nice, and that makes me happy, honestly. I don't have oatmeal. Well, thank God, because boy, I don't eat oatmeal. Y'all, I thought I bought oatmeal, which makes no sense because I hate oatmeal. I don't eat oatmeal. All right, so cool. So now we have these huge jars, and for some reason my boyfriend feels the need to buy things in pack, especially things that I don't. He's never ever seen me eat trail mix, but he took it upon himself to buy not one but two trail mix. Sis, I feel like I like this one better because it's honey roasted, but y'all, we got both, so we're gonna have to learn how to like trail mixes. Good thing about them, they have a good amount of protein, so that's good. I am on a weight loss journey, for those that didn't know. I have yet to try this, but again with the trail mixes. Okay, all right, y'all, so this is what I've done so far. I'm a little bit iffy about the top layer because I'm like, if people come over, are they gonna know what's in those boxes? But I try my best to show where the labels are and arrange them by height as well. So I feel like I did a pretty good job. But the second layer is just the nuts and the peanuts and the fruit and the fruit snacks along with the trail mix again. So now we have a whole bottom shelf and some space on a second shelf to put more things on there. So that's amazing because we're gonna grab everything from here and try our best to fit it over there. Y'all, I just keep saying this, but my boyfriend, he bought all this bread, even though he knows I'm trying to lose some weight, but we appreciate the effort. That's what I keep telling myself. This huge bag of chips my boyfriend bought. I don't eat chips easily. If I eat chips, it's either like a jalapeno chips or, honestly, I think that's it. But yeah, this is my little brother. I'm not gonna eat this. But again, I appreciate the effort. I'm about to go ahead and show y'all here so I could close it up. We still have space for more snacks, y'all. That's amazing. Now it looks more filled. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little breather. And I think I'm gonna eat something because I'm hungry, and when I'm done I'll be back. It's the next week. Yeah, I don't know, but I did not want to finish this video without showing you guys me cleaning out my fridge, so that's what we're about to do. It is currently like 10 o'clock at night. So this is now what the top of the fridge looks like. I have the plates, cups, paper towels, and silver up front, so whenever you come through you see them right up there, and behind them are like the less important things, like my straws for my apple cider vinegar drinks, breads, and my Ziploc bag. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the actual inside of the fridge now. gonna get my Lysol all-purpose cleaner and clean this bad boy up. Also gonna grab my Kaboom bathroom cleaner. I don't care. Sprays on blue, turns white when it's clean. This video is not sponsored by Kaboom. Kaboom? What kind of name is that? I'm gonna grab my dish rag right here, and I'm gonna clean where I think is gonna be easiest to clean first, and I'm gonna get this thing last. So here's what I'm thinking. Meats and fish are gonna go in the bottom, and the vegetables and like frozen fruits or whatever the case may be are gonna go on the top. And I forgot to put my aluminum foil on top of the fridge. Okay, cool, y'all. Perfect. So this is officially inside the freezer. I have my ice right here, vegetables, fruits, my fish, meats, clams, fries in the back. But that is the upper portion of the fridge. And now we're about to move on to the big boy, the headache, the star of the show, which is the bottom fridge. Oh my god, y'all, let me tell you guys how I thought I heard somebody outside my door, which is like right here. Like, my door is right here. And yeah, I have a security system and everything, but I don't trust it like that. So let me tell you how I put my hoodie on, because I think hoodies make you look scarier. And I don't mean that in any offensive way. I just, to me personally, it makes me look scarier. I called my boyfriend, put him on speaker. I said, baby, it's about to go down. I think somebody outside my door. He's like, girl, I'm trying to eat. I'm like, shh, stay on the phone, right? And then I grabbed the knife. This is the biggest knife that I could find. I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna grab no baseball bat, no tasers, nothing. I'm going straight for the vitals. It turns out it was just the wind. So cool. Now let's get back to the regularly scheduled program. Okay, y'all, I actually got some new things that I wanted to try. Like I told y'all, I think I'm becoming addicted to buying things like groceries and stuff, because I never used to be like this. But I just want to try everything, you feel me? Like, your girl normally shops at like Bravo supermarkets or like Presidente, but I want to shop at Whole Foods and Trader Joe's. Let me stop. Okay, so I got this Planet Oat Milk. I like it. I actually like it. Not too bad. Let's get back to cleaning, y'all. Okay, so right now my battery is dying. I only have like 10 minutes of recording left. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to just spray the fridge down, get rid of everything in the fridge door, organize it. When I'm done, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Okay, y'all, so I'm done organizing the fridge. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the general view of it. Hopefully I can see it properly. All right, so you know how for the top I had like a little game plan? I actually didn't for the bottom. I just tried my best to organize everything as I could. So my juices are here, my protein shakes, my milk, my pineapple, my little Chobani yogurts, eggs, breads. It's like a whole section of breads, my creamers. So under here I decided to put all of my lemons and garlic, and over here I just put that chicken y'all saw in a black bag, and I put it in here with some hot dogs. On the fridge door or like the little sour creams, guacamole, which is so good. I want some right now, but I cannot eat past 7:59. Ranch. I have like ketchup and stuff in like the cabinets that y'all see me arrange, but at the bottom I have some waters, cheeses, and a random piece of a breakfast muffin. But yeah, that's basically what the fridge is looking like. And of course my camera is literally about to die right now, so thank you so much for watching, y'all. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Road to 50K, let's get it, let's go. Bye, fufu out. Love you.